Hi guys, today we're going to talk about some parts. This is something we usually don't do videos on, but it'll be something that we start to show a little bit more video attention to here in the future. If you've never been to our other parts website, which is just varnerparts.com, we have that set up now to where you can go online and you can look up your parts for your tractor and purchase them right off our website for the tractors that you're wanting or the tractors that we sell. So right now, the only product we have on there is the Branson product. Which does have some TYM part numbers that are associated with that. But anyway, mostly what we're trying to put on there is Branson. To where if you had a Branson 2400H and you were wanting to look up parts for it, whether it be a headlight, a key switch, a filter, an engine, a cylinder head, whatever you want, where you could look those up and then you could purchase the part right off of our website and we'll ship it out to you from here straight to you. That's been a new endeavor for our little business here the last 3 or 4 years, and we are adding stuff to that every day. But this is going to be a new addition that gets added to that here in the next probably 90 to 120 days here in 2026. This is going to be filter kits. So this is for a 2400, a 2100, 2400, 2800 Branson or the 00 series non-hydrostat. This is for a gear-driven transmission, and this will be a complete filter kit for that tractor. So we are going to offer these filter kits in 3 different platforms. We're going to offer them in a platinum kit like this one, a gold kit, and we're going to offer them in a standard kit as well, depending on what the end user needs for themselves. So right now, if we look at a platinum kit, what you're going to end up getting with that, then granted, this is a kit for a 00, keep that in mind. 00 tractor has 4 filters on it: air filter, fuel filter, hydraulic filter, and engine oil filter. We're going to send it with a can of brake clean to kind of help you clean up when you get done. Filter, a little battery cleaner, filter wrench, set of gloves, some fuel treatment, stabilizer treatment for your fuel, a little roll of shop towels, and then all the oil that is necessary to do that oil change. So hydraulic oil, engine oil, and front axle gear oil for it. This is the entire kit that if you were a first-time user that was doing your oil change for the first time and you didn't have some of this stuff, this kit might make a lot of sense for you in order that you could buy everything all at one time. You'd have everything that you need to do it. You could just go out to your garage or area that you're going to change the oil, do the oil change, and you'd be done with it. The other kits that we're going to offer, so this is a platinum. When you look at our gold kits are not going to have all of this stuff in them. So I'm just going to take this away real quick so you can see what it would look like. This is a gold kit for a 00. So this is your, whoop, I took a filter away. This is your gold kit, your filters and your oil. So this would be more along the lines, if you're somebody that does do a few services on your tractors, you already got some tools, you already got shop towels, you already have the stuff that you need to do your kit, but you do need all the oil and you do need all the filters to do it. This is our gold kit. So you'd still get all the oil for it, you'd get all the filters for it. If you look at our standard kit is going to literally be the filter kit for it. So if you already have oil in bulk at your place, you don't need all that. You just need a set of filters for your tractor in order to get you up and going so you could go and do your oil change. This is going to be what your standard kit would be from us. So we are going to build these kits for all models of Branson tractors right now, and eventually we will have these for all models of TYM. We'll also have these for all models of Mahindra, and we'll also have these for all models of Deutz-Fahr. This will be coming down the road in on our parts website, and it's something that, I don't know, an endeavor that's going to take us some time to get it all finished up and get it all ready to go. But we're going to introduce these here starting in the spring here at 26. And so if you are looking for this kit, you want to go to our website, which is varnerparts.com, and you could look and see if we have the kit already made on there for your tractor. We're going to try to be very competitive on the price on that. With the price of the filters, price of the oil, price of the platinum kits. We're going to try to be very competitive with that, so you would like to buy your product from us and it makes sense to buy your product from us. But give this a look at, go to our website, varnerparts.com, and we'd be happy to help you with this in the future, and we'd be happy to supply you with the filters and the oil and the products that you need for your tractor.